Hello, my beauty friends. This is RB Jules coming to you from STO Handmade Jewelry and Craft Corner. As the title says, what's new in 2025? I'm planning to do some new things and make some changes as I'm constantly defining the purpose of this channel and how we can grow and learn together on this channel. So one of the first things that I want to share that's going to be done in 2025, finish up projects. I have projects that need finishing. You saw the one that I was working on, and honestly, I did not work on it any further. So, excuse me. So I really want to finish that project there that's been sitting there for like the longest time. And I think I have like 3 other big projects like that I'm nowhere in the stage that I was with the green piece that I was sewing on a few weeks ago. That one is actually much more closer to being finished. I just have to add some finishing touches to the piece, and then we'll call that one done. So I have like 3 or 4 pieces, and then I have one piece that's actually in its infant stages where I like started it and I didn't finish the piece. So yeah, I probably will change up some things on that design, and I might even sew on it a little bit when I'm doing, some of the, sharing and vlogging in other videos. So that's something that I definitely, that's a goal to have, is to finish up those projects, even though I'm starting new projects and have been finishing those other projects a lot quicker than I have been finishing, working on the other one. So that's a goal to finish those up. So another thing is that I want to share more tutorials, and for now I've made the decision to do tutorials once a month because of my schedule. That's all I see that I can actually do, is to do a tutorial once a month, because it's going to depend on the steps, whether they're simple steps, step by steps, or if they're a little advanced. Now, if there's a video that I want to if there's a tutorial that I want to turn into a step-by-step project, then I may do that with you as well, and we'll go through all of the steps and stages. Y'all excuse me so much for yawning. Steps and stages in crafting those tutorials. And I personally work at a slower pace than most. And, that may or may not, work for you, and that's fine. If if that doesn't work for you, that's okay. But that's how I intend to do it here on this channel, is to take my time to make sure that I'm teaching all of the steps. I'm teaching it in a way where it's not causing me stress and anxiety, so that, other things, won't snowball and cause me to not even try to finish the project or finish sharing the project with you, because I think you deserve to have the full project that I'm going to teach here to you on YouTube. So that's another thing that that I definitely want to do, and you will definitely know when the uploads are coming, because I will upload you when I upload each video. It will be in the community section, so please take a moment to look at the community section so that you can see when the new videos are uploaded. In addition to, liking, sharing, subscribing, and turning on your notification button. That way you'll know when I upload videos. So also, I'm going to share different, some of my art processes of how I arrive at different things. Excuse me, and that will be more so when I do the tutorials, and I may do some mini videos where I share some tips and tricks in other videos and talk about different things. Also, I will share like beading news or jewelry news in the art world and the beading art world that pertains to what we're doing and things that you may find helpful to know as things go along this year. So that's something that I definitely will do also. Another thing is that I'm planning to open up another art jewelry store, because as you all know, I have left Etsy's platform. So I'm planning to open up another art, jewelry store and a handmade craft store. And in there, in the jewelry store, of course, you'll be able to buy the jewelry, but in the handmade craft store, you'll be able to buy my handmade art supplies as well as tutorials in those stores. So I will keep you updated when I do, as I get to different phases and it gets to the point where I'm actually like doing a launch for those stores. So the next thing is doing more videos. I know that I have been, laxed in doing videos, because it's like I really had to take the time to make a lot of decisions, like what is it I want to do, what is it I want to share, and what is it, that I want to do in terms of sharing, knowledge and education, and how to make jewelry on this platform. So I have made a lot of decisions, and I'm still, like I said in one of the other videos, still working out a lot of kinks, so I know exactly what it is that I'm doing and want to share, and be, as transparent as possible in terms of sharing that information in tutorials. So I will be doing tutorials, uplifting videos in terms of art and growing as an artist and things of that nature, and what it takes to get there. So another thing is I will be sharing updates, whether it's in terms of new jewelry pieces that I have designed and handcrafted by hand, or whether it's a new tutorial coming out that you can purchase in the store, or new handmade art jewelry supplies that's going to be in the store, or some things that might be changing and coming to this platform, and things that I'm going to do. One of the things that I can share with you now is that I'm definitely going to change the banner on this channel, and the name will stay the same over here, but I'm definitely changing the name, and I'm also customizing some things, that I will keep you posted on as they come up. So if there are things that's like in the infant stages, I won't be sharing that information. I will definitely share it when it's completed, and I can share it with you when it's past that point. So I definitely will share updates with you. I will also share some updates in posts in the community's corner. So please look over there also. And yeah, that's all I have for you right now, of what's coming up for 2025. If there's anything else that I plan and I put on my art jewelry calendar for this channel, I will definitely keep you posted. So until next time, happy beading.